Guys, I found a super AI video generator and you guys need to go ahead and check this out. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, guys, so this is the landing page of ClipWise. Link to this will be in the description of the video. I will make a demonstration on how you could use it and how amazing this is in a bit. So let's go ahead and check out what I think you guys need to know the most about this one. So ClipWise is transforming short form video creation by combining advanced artificial intelligence with professional grade tools. And guys, I'm telling you, they are really revolutionizing the creation of short form videos, and it's very efficient, super powerful, and it can create viral videos. That has always been a challenge for us in terms of creation, the ideas and all those stuff. But in this one, guys, it's as simple as typing a prompt and it will actually make that for you. So imagine harnessing the power of AI to produce videos with talking avatars that perfectly match the theme that you actually wanted. So this is the future of content creation, and ClipWise is leading the way, guys. In my honest opinion, I've never actually found any AI video generator as good as this at the time. But again, you know, this is something else, guys. This is really, really phenomenal. It's like having an entire team of professional creators in your pocket. So from viral AI scripts to lifelike voiceovers, it's designed to make your ideas come to life easily and effortlessly. So the process is very, very straightforward. You just type in your idea, refine the narration, and then customize your final video with ClipWise's intuitive tools. So they also have features like multi-language options, diverse visual themes, editable scripts, and customizable effects that ensure every video that you create stands out. Now, guys, with options for background music, captions, overlay effects, and the possibilities are all there, guys. This is an ultimate ingredient to making a viral video. So the creators can see the magic in action through the two completed videos, one created live and another that is prepared in advance. So showcasing ClipWise's versatility for those content creators. And ClipWise is offering incredible value with its limited 60% discount on annual plan. So this is the AI driven revolution. Every creator, this is really, really, really a good one, and don't miss the chance to be part of it and try it out, guys. You could test it out. As you can see right up on top here, you could create your first video and you could, you know, see for yourself if this is something that you would like to pursue, because again, it's unimaginable. Let me go ahead and show you real quick. All right, so for this one, let's see the story of David and Goliath. So let's go ahead and try that one out, see what it does. Okay, so generate, let's see it. So the story of David and Goliath, English, credits 1 credit per second. All right, so narrator preference, you could choose Mike Smith, Aisha, Jane Doe, Adam Stone, John Doe. So those are different, you know, types of voices. You have, as you can see, this is narrative, upbeat, soft, meditative. Now
with cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts, and so much more.
All right, so that is Mike.
This is a very famous
This is
voice
Aisha.
that you have definitely heard before.
All right, great storyteller for David and Goliath. Let's check that one.
People
This
who
one
are
out.
crazy enough to think they can change the world
I like this one
are
as
the
well.
ones who do.
Let's see John Doe deep.
I have crossed oceans of time to find you. And
I like you. This is the one that picked AI. But again, guys, that's what the AI is picking. If you want something else, you could definitely change it. All right. So you have different ones. See, you could choose which one you like. Plus, David really looks good on that one. I mean, even have the active caption style. The story of David and Goliath. All right. So let's do that. Story of David and Goliath. See what we could get. All right. So prompt is this one. The story of David and Goliath. Language is English, and then credits, 1 credit, 1 second. All right, so we will choose
I have crossed oceans
John
of time
Doe.
to find you. I pray.
I like that. You're the one that I'm gonna choose. So it's generating it. So in ancient Israel, fear grips the army. Let me try to mimic that. In ancient Israel, fear grips the army as towering Goliath, a giant, taunts them, daring any brave enough to compete. All right, it's done. Let's click on next. What it's gonna do is it will let us actually choose the background music. AI is picking this one, piano uplifting. So let's try to hear it. I mean, we could definitely change it to whichever background music
In
we
ancient
want.
Israel, fear grips the army as towering Goliath,
No,
a
I
giant.
don't want that.
In ancient Israel, fear grips the
This
army
one,
as
this one.
towering Goliath, a
Music
giant.
volume.
In ancient Israel, fear. In ancient Israel, in ancient Israel, fear grips the army as towering Goliath, a giant.
Yes.
Taunts them, daring any brave enough to compete. But among the trembling soldiers, a young shepherd, David, steps forward.
I love
He
it.
believes courage can triumph over size. With a single stone in his slingshot, David takes aim, his focus unwavering. The crowd holds its breath, shocked by his audacity. The stone flies true.
Bam.
Goliath crashes to the ground. Silence falls. Disbelief turned to awe. A mere boy slayed a
You have
giant.
lightning. Yeah.
David, victorious, inspires the nation. Size never defines strength.
Super easy, my goodness.
Conquer giants and change history.
All right, let's click on next. And then, bam, final video. You got that. Just a few types, few clicks. Bam. Imagine doing that with any software, like editing software. It's gonna take you hours, if not days. Days, weeks if you're a beginner. Oh my goodness. So anyway, it is already rendering the final video. That's how easy it is to use ClipWise in generating that AI short videos that everyone is really crazy about. And you know, a video or content that is worth watching, worth listening to. Unlike any other, videos that doesn't really look good. This one, few clicks, few types, high quality video that you guys could upload. Also guys, go ahead and check out their pricing because they are doing a very, very good promotion, guys. You could save 60% on their yearly packages. You can go ahead and check this one out, guys. From $25 a month for starter down to $10 a month. And then for creator, which is the most popular package that they have, it was $49 per month, but for yearly, it's only $20 per month. So you can go ahead and check this one out. And they also have their highest package here, which is the business, from $79 down to a whopping $32 a month, guys. Unlimited videos for business. Now up to 200 videos per month for their popular. That's a lot, guys. I mean, go ahead and check this one out. This is something that you do not want to miss out. So in this video, guys, we actually discussed ClipWise. I showed you the demo, how to do it, how it looks like, how it feels like, how it sounds like to have that generated. And go ahead and check this one out, guys. This might just be the tool that you need for you to get that video, that viral content that you have been looking for. If you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.